Exactly. You know, we work with integrators every day, specifying the systems that they're installing. And we'll work with them in terms of the design, right from the design concept. You know, when they're building the power foundation, some of the bigger systems can take, you know, it can take weeks or months to design the system. We've been involved with projects that take years to design. But we work hand in hand with the integrators to make sure that every step of the way that we're focused on the right power solution to achieve the results that they're trying to achieve. And that's an important service that we provide for the integrators, and a necessary service with our product line, just because of the scale of the product line, the solutions that we have. It's very specialized. If we don't have a solution that's already being manufactured, in many cases, we'll custom manufacture a solution for a specific job. And that's where we need the detail and the information about what exactly are we trying to achieve, what are the components that are going in, the voltages that are being used, and then we'll come up with the right solution for that particular job. In many cases, you know, it's been, with the development of homes today, we're seeing a lot of places where they're redesigning and rebuilding homes. So, you know, you're starting with a home that had a smaller footprint, and then you're putting a very large home on this particular footprint, and the power grid and the foundation that's coming into that home wasn't designed for a community like that. And these are the things that we're looking at with the integrators, is what is not just what's in that particular home, but where is the home? What is the power that's coming into the home? What's happening with that power? What does the subdivision look like, or the area look like? And how do we need to focus on power to make sure that we've got the right starting point for everything else that's happening? And, you know, with our voltage regulation technology that we're looking at, making sure that the output is consistent and the right voltage, what people don't realize all the time is it's not the big surge that's going to be a problem. It's actually the smaller fluctuations that are much harder to deal with for the equipment. So that maybe there's a power sag, or the power is running a little bit hot. You know, instead of getting the right voltage, you might be a little bit outside of the proper voltage range. And that's what does the most damage. It's really those situations that are the most demanding and create the most problems. So we look at those situations as being, you know, really the difficult ones to handle. And we've got very robust technology with our voltage regulation. We actually use the isolation transformer to regulate the voltage. So we're doing that by using a series of different input windings on the transformer that'll adjust for the voltage changes that are happening in the environment. So you're still getting the full isolation of the toroidal transformer for the system. So you're really getting the full benefit of the product, but at the same time, you're getting the proper voltage. So those small fluctuations that can damage equipment, it can cause systems to not respond properly.